In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the object selection tool in Adobe Photoshop CC, perfect for beginners who are looking to take their first steps into the world of digital design. Photoshop is a powerful tool for photo editing and graphic design, and mastering the object selection tool is a critical part of your journey. First, let's start by launching Adobe Photoshop. Once you have it open, it's time to set up your workspace. This step is crucial as it helps lay the foundation for the work you're about to do. Creating a new canvas will be our next task. When you select New under the File menu, a dialog box will appear where you can specify your canvas details. Perhaps you want to create something print-ready, or you just need a digital format, whatever your choice. Be sure to set the resolution to 300 dpi to ensure high quality. This setting is especially important if you're planning to print your work later. Now, let's get right into the heart of our session today, the Object Selection tool. You can find this tool in the toolbar, typically located on the left side of your screen. It might be grouped with other selection tools, so you'll want to ensure you've selected the right one. The Object Selection tool allows you to effortlessly select objects within your image or design thanks to its advanced edge detection algorithm. In simpler words, Photoshop does most of the heavy lifting for you here. Once the Object Selection tool is activated, you'll need something to work with on your canvas. You can bring images or layers into Photoshop through various methods, but today we're going to focus on using a simple click and drag method. With your image or object ready, simply drag it onto your canvas. As you do this, an outline or selection will form around the object you want to isolate. If you're not satisfied with the automatic selection made by Photoshop, don't worry. You can refine your selection using the Select and Mask option found in the Options bar. This feature gives you further control over the edges, feathering, and smoothness of your selection, allowing you to perfect your design. Don't forget to zoom in and use the Refine Edge brush to get the cleanest selection possible if your object has intricate details like hair or fur. There you have it, a quick and easy way to use the Object Selection tool in Photoshop CC. Remember, practice is key to becoming proficient with these tools, so spend some time experimenting with different images and objects. Try different settings and selections until you feel comfortable. By mastering the Object Selection tool, you're better equipped to tackle more complex projects in the future. Happy designing, and I hope you found this guide useful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our beginner-friendly tutorials.